Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of our ATP paper, that is magnification and actual size. In all the ATP papers in IGCSE paper 6, you will find this magnification question. Now, this is a sample question that I will be solving in front of you so that you can get full marks in your magnification and actual size question. Generally, the magnification question comes from 4 to 5 marks in ATP paper. Now, we will find out how we have to solve this question. Okay, first of all, we will be provided an image by the examiner. So this is actually the image, or we can say a photograph from the examiner. And with this, we are being provided with magnification 1.5. That is actually the given magnification. That is actually the given magnification. Now, first of all, to get full marks, the first compulsory thing is we have to, yes, the four important criteria. The first criteria is we have to make large drawing with HB pencil of the given image. Large drawing with HB pencil of the given image. First of all, we have to draw this large drawing. Point number 2, the drawing should be at least 1.5 times larger than image, or better, you make as large as space provided. Okay, you can also make the double the size of double the size. You can also make of double the size of the image. So you have to make the large drawing. This was second point. The third point is drawing must be exactly similar to the given image. Drawing must be exactly similar to the given image. Point number 4 is correct use of the formula. And point number 5 is correct calculations. So these 4 to 5 points will ensure your 4 to 5 marks that are compulsory. That are to ensure your full marks in your magnification. So first of all, you have to make the diagram that must be large. The diagram of this image that is given to you must be large. First of all, it must be 1.5 to 2 times large, or jitni space provided to you. Then the second thing is that it must be similar. So these are the two compulsions regarding diagram. So for example, if this the length of this A to B, for example, if this length is, we can say that it is 10 millimeter between A to B. So the students, they are recommended to make the drawing of length between A to B at least 15 or better 20 millimeter large. Okay, so and the diagram must be exactly, you can see that when you are drawing the diagram, if it is curved from here, you will show curve. If it has spots inside, these are spots inside, so you must show spots. Then there are some structures inside, so you will also draw these structures. So your diagram must be exactly similar that you will draw. Okay, so I am working on the tab, so it is very difficult to make the exact drawing on the tab, but obviously it is very easy to draw with the pencil. But yes, I will try, but rules I have explained it to you. So you can say that since I am working on tab, so the pen is slightly moving, but I am just giving you an idea. So this is a similar structure is given inside. This structure is given inside. We have to make exact. I am having difficulty in joining the points. Sorry. So it must be like this. Similar. Okay. Then, but it must be exact. With pencil, you can make it very easily. Then there are spots here. There are spots here. There are spots here. So all over this there are spots. You have to make these spots also. And so on. So now this is our drawing, that is to some, that must be exactly similar to the image. So as I told you that when you will be drawing with the pencil, it will be very easy. So since I was drawing with the pen on the tab, so that is why थोड़ी बहुत ही चीजें हिल गई हैं, but I have just given you an idea. It must be exactly similar. Okay, so now we have to apply the formula. So magnification is equal to, this is the correct use of formula, length of drawing that we have made divided by length of image, and then into multiply by whole with given magnification. Given magnification. Now, so our length of drawing that we made, so it was almost double. So for example, A to B, length between A to B was 18 millimeter. So we will use magnification is equal to 18 millimeter, and the given length was 10 millimeter, and the given magnification is 1.5. Yes, it is 1.5. The magnification is 1.5. So now let's calculate the magnification. So it is 18 divided by 10 is equal to 1.8 multiplied by 1.5. So 2.7x is our magnification of the given drawing. So x is the unit of magnification, and few important things. X is the unit of magnification. Point number 2 is we will not round off our answer, round off our answer. Like some students, they instead of writing 2.7, they write 3. So writing 3 is incorrect. We must use the exact way. ओके, तो मैंने आपको बात एक्सप्लेन कर दी कि हम उसको डबल द लेंथ का भी बना सकते हैं, जितनी स्पेस प्रोवाइड की गई है उतनी स्पेस की ड्राइंग भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन मिनिमम 1.5 टाइम्स जो है ना ड्राइंग हमारी बड़ी होनी चाहिए. सो नाउ दिस इज द वे टू गेट फुल मार्क्स इन मैग्निफिकेशन. नाउ वी आर ऑल्सो आस्क्ड एक्चुअल, अच्छा द लास्ट थिंग इज दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक वैल्यू in centimeter, like I took in millimeter. But if sometimes what happens, the examiner gives the line, then write millimeter. So then we are the students, they are supposed to give the answer in millimeter. Sometimes the examiner and then makes the line and then write centimeter. Then the students are supposed to write the answer in centimeter. So this is you can easily take your values according to the demand of the question. If the examiner has not demanded you any specific unit like centimeter or like millimeter, then you can use any unit of your own choice. Now we have to find the actual size of the above image also. So the formula for actual size is length of image divided by given magnification. So the length of image in the question, yes, so this length was 10 millimeter. This length was 10 millimeter, length of image between A and B, and given magnification is 1.5. So we will put the values in actual size. Length of image is equal to 10 millimeter divided by given magnification, that is 1.5. So the answer will come 10 divided by 1.5 is equal to, so our actual size is equal to 6.66 millimeter. So since we have taken the value in millimeter, so we will use millimeter. If we would have taken the values in centimeter, then we would have used the centimeter. So in actual size, it depends that in which unit we have taken the length. So I hope, dear students, this question is clear to you. Magnification and actual size. This magnification and actual size also question, also a magnification question is specific for ATP, but actual size question also comes in the MCQ paper, in paper 2. So examiner जो है, it gives some diagram and then the actual and given magnification. In MCQ, examiner will give you an image, examiner an image, and then the examiner will provide you with the given magnification, and then the candidates would be asked to find the actual size. So you can use this formula and you will calculate actual size. Best wishes for your IGCSE exam. Dear students, take care of yourselves. This is your biology teacher Hamza. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.